Hey, listeners, are you ready to take control of your car buying experience and make smart financial decisions? Introducing the Ultimate Auto Finance Guide, your go to resource for navigating the complex world of auto finance. Whether you're a first time buyer or looking to refinance, this guide has all the tips, tricks, and insider knowledge you need to secure the best deal. Don't miss out on this opportunity to empower yourself and drive away with confidence. Head over to www.ultimateautofinanceguide.com now and grab your digital copy. Trust me, it's the smartest investment you'll make before buying your next car. Welcome back to another episode of Drive to Success Mastering Auto Finance. I'm John Lewis, and today we're diving into three key topics that could impact your next car purchase or lease: data first use, gap insurance, and over allowance. These terms might not always be front and center, but they play a huge role in how much you pay, how protected you are, and how dealerships structure deals. By the end of this episode, you'll have the knowledge to make smarter decisions and avoid common pitfalls. Let's get started. Let's kick things off with something many buyers overlook: the data first use. This is the date when a new vehicle is first put into service, and it plays a crucial role in your vehicle's warranty coverage. What is data first use? It's the official start date of a vehicle's manufacturer warranty. This date isn't necessarily when you buy the car. It could be when the dealership first registers it, use it as a loaner vehicle, or when it's sold as a fleet car. Why is this important? Let's say you're buying a new car that's been sitting on a lot for 6 months. If the manufacturer offers a 3-year, 36,000-mile warranty, and the date of first use started when the dealership first registered the car, you may only have 2.5 years of warranty left, not 3. How can you check the date of first use? Ask the dealer for the vehicle's in-service date, or check with the manufacturer directly. It's a small detail that can make a big difference when it comes to warranty coverage. Bottom line, don't assume a warranty starts the day you sign the paperwork. Always verify the date of first use so you know exactly how much coverage remains. Now let's talk about gap insurance. You've probably heard the term, but do you really need it? What is gap insurance? GAP stands for Guaranteed Asset Protection. If your car is totaled or stolen, standard auto insurance will only cover the current market value, not what you still owe on your loan. GAP insurance covers the difference. Who needs GAP insurance? If you put little to no money down, if you finance a car for a longer term, let's say 60 months or more, if you drive a car that depreciates quickly, if you lease, many agreements require it. Let's give you an example. Imagine you buy a car for $30,000, but after a year its market value drops to $24,000. If you still owe $28,000 on your loan and your car gets totaled, regular insurance will pay the $24,000, but you still owe the remaining $4,000. Gap insurance covers this shortfall. Where should you get gap insurance? Dealerships offer it, but they often charge more. Many auto insurers offer it at a lower cost. Check with your provider first. So, is gap insurance worth it? For many buyers, yes. But if you put a large deposit or have a short loan term, you might not need it. Always evaluate your situation before signing up. Now let's talk about over allowance. This is a common dealership tactic that makes it seem like you're getting a great deal on your trade-in. But are you really? What is over allowance? It's when a dealership gives you more than your car's actual market value on a trade-in. Sounds good, right? But there's a catch. How do dealerships offset over allowance? They increase the price of your car you're buying. They adjust your financing terms, usually with higher interest rates or longer loan terms. They reduce the available discounts or rebates. Let's give you an example. Let's say your trade-in is worth $10,000, but the dealer offers you $12,000. That extra $2,000 isn't free money. It's likely being added to the price of the new vehicle. So instead of paying $35,000 for your new car, you might be paying $37,000. How to avoid the over allowance trap. Research your trade-in's actual value using Kelley Blue Book, NADA, or Black Book. Negotiate the trade-in and purchase price separately. Compare the total deal, not just one aspect like monthly payments or trade-in value. Over allowance isn't necessarily a bad thing if you understand how it works. Just make sure you're not overpaying elsewhere in the deal. All right, let's do a quick recap. Data first use affects your warranty coverage. Always verify it before purchasing. Gap insurance can save you thousands if your car is total, but it's not necessary for everyone. Over allowance makes your trade-in seem more valuable, but dealers often compensate by increasing costs elsewhere in the deal. Auto finance is full of small details that can make a big difference. The more you know, the better deals you'll get and the more money you'll save. If you've enjoyed this episode, make sure to subscribe. Also visit my website, www.theultimateautofinanceguide.com, for more insights and tools to help you master auto finance. Thanks for tuning in to Drive to Success Mastering Auto Finance. Until next time, drive smart, negotiate wisely, and take control of your financial future.
Rolling down the avenue to a jazzy beat, following that rhythm, life's a one-way street. Chasing dreams with passion, every mile's a goal. In the world of finance, stories to be told. Catching the horizon with a soulful groove. Navigating numbers, got nothing to lose. Every calculation, every deal we sway. In the realm of autos, we find our way. Drive to success, we're mastering the art. Through the lanes of finance, we set apart. Jazz and soul, where the numbers align. Make your journey smooth with wisdom divine. Hit the keys of knowledge, let the insight play. From leases to purchases, every savvy way. Revving up those engines, zeros turn to ones. In the studio of life like morning sun. Feel the soul, embrace the jazz. In the auto world, let's razzmatazz. Financial gears shifting smooth and slick. In the podcast lane, we find the tricks. Cruising through the jargon, ain't no mystery. Unlocking all the secrets in auto history. Low ones and rates, they glisten like the stars. Drive the distance, no matter how far.
Thanks for sticking around until the end. Before we go, if you're in the market for a new or used car or even thinking about it, you must check out Drive to Success, the Ultimate Auto Finance Guide. It's packed with strategies to help you navigate the tricky world of auto financing, avoid costly mistakes, and get the best deal possible. Head over to Amazon and grab your copy today. Just search for Drive to Success, the Ultimate Auto Finance Guide, or use the link in our show notes. Take control of your car buying experience and drive away with confidence.